So I have a bulk food order that I'm going to unbox with you. It's from a company called Essential Organics. They also go by the name Organic Matters. So let's dig into it. This is not sponsored, not gifted. I bought all this myself and I've ordered from them several times before and we really enjoy the food. So I got some cocoa powder. I use this in hot chocolate and in baking. I got some dried onion, which is really good for like using in a brisket rub or if you don't feel like slicing onions. Let's see what this is. Okay. Okay, this is one of my favorite spices from them that I use this like multiple times a week. It's smoked paprika and it's really good. I like to use this like instead of liquid smoke. I think liquid smoke has more chemicals, but I mean, it's fine if you use liquid smoke, but this is what I like to use. Anyways, this is mustard powder, which is great for like barbecue rubs or cooking with. This is maple syrup. I wanted to try their maple syrup. They do have larger containers, but I'm also interested in getting like local maple syrups here because I live in the Northeast and it grows pretty well. So we'll give this a try and then consider whether I want to go local or get more of this. Okay, this is for making granola. Some of you have seen my granola videos. Huge bag of rolled oats. This is 10 pounds of oatmeal. Okay. Then this is another one that I love from them. It's dried chives and like they're green, so they're really great for adding like an oniony flavor and green color to recipes if you don't have fresh herbs. So I got 2 of those. And I got bay leaves, which I use in soup making. This is a new one for me, dried lemongrass. I like to make some Thai recipes, so I'm gonna try dried lemongrass because I can't always get fresh at my regular grocery store. Some dried basil. Some dried rosemary. This is rice vinegar. Is it rice wine vinegar? No, just regular rice vinegar. And then this is another big one. Rice Krispie treats. My kids love to eat these just like with milk, or I will also use them in granola and Rice Krispie treats. So I got a big 3-pound package of those. I got 2 bags of white sushi rice. This sushi rice is really good. I don't know if you can see the size of it. It's like a really short grain rice. And it's delicious. It's I would say it's probably our favorite kind of white rice. And then this brown rice is really my favorite rice. And it comes from a small family-owned farm in California. It's the best brown rice I've ever had. I was not a brown rice person until I tried this one, and then I've always just been ordering this again from Organic Matters or Essential Organics. So we got 2 bags of this and 2 bags of the white rice, and that's it. Thank you for unboxing with me.